Hey, what's going on? Adam here from Well Woven, and in this short video, I wanted to highlight our Kuki Rug collection, taking a peek at some of the color variants. In this video, I'll talk a little bit about the yarn, the texture, and maybe a couple of reasons why I love this collection personally. So just jumping right into it, as you can see here, we opened up a few different color variants. We have like a light gray, ivory, green, and then this blush pink, black, and then this sort of like coppery or coral type tone. So starting with this particular one, as you can see, it's got like this sort of shimmer effect to it. Let me pile it, brush the pile up a little bit. As you can see, the saturation of the color appears a little bit darker here where I brush, but where I didn't brush, where we just opened these up, but where the pile is kind of a little flopped down, you can see that like color variation. What's kind of cool is as you walk on this rug, it's going to start to naturally like have a striation of color. That's essentially a result of the yarn combination and the way that reflects light off of it. The construction of these rugs has two different types of yarns. It's got this thinner yarn, and there's a technical name for it that I'm blanking out on right now. And then it has this thicker yarn. This is 100% polyester pile, and then the backing is jute on these. And yeah, as you can see on this particular one, it's got almost like a multi-tonal effect, whereas on this black, it's more of a flat color. Still soft since they're polyester, and both the thick and the thin yarn are relatively soft. It's got a nice like wet feel to it. And then you got the bone color or this ivory, which also has a very soft blush or plush feel to it. The pink too is also a flat color. And then as we get into the green, as you can see here, it's got that multi-tonal effect as well. In this one, we have two different colors here, two distinct different colors. You can see, it's kind of hard to see actually, but the thin green yarn is actually multi-tonal, I believe. It's got multicolors twisted together. In addition, in the background, you have a black color, which absorbs a little bit of the light, absorbs a little bit of the tone or tones down the greens. These greens almost have like a forest and a lime green kind of combined together. So that's pretty interesting, and actually makes this color combination one of the most popular within the group. And then we have our gray, which is more of a flat gray. When you brush it, you see the shine kind of go away a little bit. That color, the tone of the gray leans a little bit more blue, so it's got a very cool gray. Sometimes some grays in the market have more of like a warmer tone to it. It's like a warmer gray, but this has a really nice cool tone, both in the thicker yarn and the thinner yarn. Yeah, this is the Kuki Shag collection. We've done this particular type of quality in different collections as well, in heavier weights. This product is particularly priced in more of a promotional category. What customers really love about this, or why this looks really nice, it really fits into a range of decor styles. Where we see it trending today is more in that glam sort of vibe, where looking to pull in metallics, looking to pull in some dimensionality with different lighting scenarios or different rooms. These rugs tend to add a little bit of that shine in very low light situations as well. It doesn't need a lot of natural light to get some of the shine and shimmer that you see right there. Thank you so much for this for tuning into this short video. I really appreciate it, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.